Hey guys, I'm just cleaning the house again because you know me, my only escape is just cleaning the house. That's it. I have my head lump with me because it's already 1 a.m. and I should be sleeping, but I'm cleaning the house. And as you can see, this out. I just cleaned that room and it's squeaky clean. The floor is not yet done. Oh, my stomach. Yeah. So this room here, we still need to clean this up. But yeah, our housemate just left. I clean it, but that one's clean. And we go here, everything's like everywhere. So I started organizing, and then wiping them up with disinfectant. This one here, this was from the bottom of the sink. It was a leak. I don't know where it came from. So it went to all the manuals, trying to dry them all. And all the plastics under there were all wet. They're outside. Anyway, so yeah, I'm starting to clean it. Everything. Like I'm gonna rearrange that. Rearrange this. Rearrange that. And then I'm gonna try to clean the stains. That's what you get for being OCD. Clean this, clean that, clean this. Yeah, it's really bad. I put foil so that it's easy for me to clean it. Just take that off. I don't know if I can do it today. I might do it tomorrow. But yeah, I'm doing the cupboards right now. And yeah. And the oil marks there. Gonna spray them off. Let's do this. This would look like it's the most challenging part with all these, but actually this is the only problem here. And this one here is just foil. I can remove it so it doesn't have those things underneath. So the problem is if that thing, those burnt oil and sugar, if it's gonna be burned down on the stove itself, the burner itself, then you can have problems with it. You're gonna need to scrape it or something. But with foil, just remove the foil and you're good. I'm gonna do that later. That's easy. I'm still cleaning that part there. Smells like disinfectant. Typical oven cleaning. See that one there? And just wipe it off. And you see some more. But yeah, I can just wipe it off. All those. Yeah. Damn, there's a lot there. Look at that. Need to spray it again. It's goddamn gnarly. Look at all this dirt. Yep. So it's shiny, shimmering oven. Really good now. So I just gotta install this and clean the rest. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Had a good sleep early in the morning, so it's kind of late now. Got to bed around 5 a.m. and I can see the house needs. Yeah. Got this thing dried up. Everything's a mess. Look. Yep. So the plan is gonna be like I'm gonna try to finish cleaning up the oven, and then finish that part there, but I'm gonna finish this part here, arrange everything, put that there, throw out what it's not needed, and then this one I'm gonna rearrange it again. That part there, I'm gonna move that one there. So that will be clear. It'll be my study area, it'll be my working area, and clean. Yeah, it's blown out now. I'm just gonna remove this. Need to clean that thoroughly, brush it, and I might as well do that one first. But yeah, we're not gonna do it. Keep these because this needs to be kept. These are the paperwork from the house, which was under the sink, which got wet last night. So let's do this. This is the worst part to clean because you can see the oil. And if you can see, it is oil. So every time you cook, oil comes up here and it settles up here. So this is one of the things that I clean regularly. Come and just wipe it. I can see all the oil. Haven't used this last night or lately, but yeah. And then I have to go inside. See oil there? See that drip? That's oil. So you have to clean that one also. I guess everybody knows that, but yeah. I see a lot of oily things up there. So yeah, one of the things I need to clean.